Hi everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium upcoming residential project which is located in North Bangalore. The name of this project is Godrej Aveline, which is located in Yelahanka Airport Road. This project is designed for buyers who are looking for a combination of luxury living, modern global architecture, strong connectivity and a long-term investment potential. So in this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, lifestyle, pricing, sizes, configuration, booking process and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. So Godrej Aveline is a premium residential project which is spread across approximately 10.1 acres, offering around 814 thoughtfully planned luxury residences. The project features total 9 premium high-rise tower with an elevation of ground plus 15 floors, designed to deliver spacious modern homes with efficient layout and elegant planning. And one of the biggest highlight of this project is its Dutch-inspired architecture designed by the internationally renowned UHA London, giving the development a unique global design identity. The project offers premium high-rise living with a modern elevation and thoughtfully designed open spaces. Residents will also get access to a massive 30,000 square feet grand clubhouse along with a 33,000 square feet retail boulevard within the development. Large landscape greens, open space and spacious layout make the overall lifestyle experience more comfortable and premium. Godrej Aveline perfectly blends international design aesthetics with a modern urban luxury living. Talking about the connectivity, so the main road access is just approx 10 minutes away, Bagalur Cross Road is just approx 3 minutes away, Yelahanka Metro Station is approx 5 minutes away and Kempegowda International Airport is approx 20 minutes away. The location offers excellent connectivity along with a strong future growth and appreciation potential, making it attractive for both end-use buyers and investors. And now talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so the Godrej Aveline offers 58 plus lifestyle amenities designed around comfort, wellness, recreation and convenience. Project offers grand clubhouse, rooftop swimming pool, yoga and dance studio, spa and steam rooms, co-working lounge. The project delivers a complete lifestyle ecosystem where residents can enjoy luxury, convenience, wellness and community living all within the development. Now talking about the pricing, sizes and configuration, so the project offers multiple premium configurations. So the 2 and 2.5 BHK apartments are starting with a carpet area of 1,288 square feet to 1,663 square feet, price starting from 2.24 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK premium with a carpet area starting from 1,600 square feet, price starting from 2.70 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK Lux with a carpet area starting from 1,900 square feet and the price is starting from 3.22 crore rupees onwards. 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2,150 square feet, price starting from 3.58 crore rupees onwards, and the 4.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2,500 square feet, starting price is 4.26 crore rupees onwards. So the approximate pricing is 16,000 rupees per square feet onwards, and the project is also offering a special 1% payment plan where buyers can pay just 1% per month, making ownership more flexible and convenient. All homes come with a spacious layout, premium fittings and efficient design planning. Talking about the booking process, so the bookings are currently open for interested buyers in North Bangalore. Finding a project that combines design-focused architecture, strong connectivity, luxury amenities, and a future infrastructure growth is quite rare, which makes Godrej Aveline a strong option for both home buyers and investors. For brochure, pricing details, payment plans or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium real estate videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.